Today we are driving 7 hours round trip to go pick up an engine for my second gen Dodge Dually that I got for $100.
Hell yes.
From south of San Antonio, not the south side. Don't get it twisted. No offense to those from the south side. I like it down there. We are coming from south of San Antonio to a little east of Austin called Buckholz. Like, I know it sounds kind of weird. Like, it sounds like booty.
Huh?
Buckholz, Texas. Shout out to all y'all from Buckholz.
Working on a weekend like usual.
Austin, Texas.
We're in Austin, Texas, guys. Little pit stop to Terry Black's Barbecue, I believe is what it's called. If you can't hear me, that's because the windows are down. It's a vibe with the windows down right now. I think there's a lot of people here too because it's ACL, some sort of music fest. I'm not really much into that. No one's waving at us. Get in! Get in! With a whole engine in the back. Oh my God.
Going on the YouTube or what?
Yeah. We're here at Terry Black's Barbecue. I went with my buddy Nick. Oh dang, we just got done eating. We are headed home now. That place was really good, but I didn't show y'all because this really isn't a food review channel. So if y'all are curious, yes, it's good. Yes, y'all should go check it out. They got self-driving cars. He's gonna clear the traffic for us. What are we doing? Oh shit, is this a white turn? Right there is where the losers park.
Who's asking?
What? With the whole engine in the back. What are these people doing? There's like a bunch of people here. Everyone's like just vibing or something. All right, we found a group of hoodlums with diesel trucks, so we're gonna try to get our name out there, go hand out some hats. Y'all like hats?
Oh, let me get that shit.
Take it.
Oh, for real? Your brand or something?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. What are they?
I do diesel work, performance work.
I need that shit though. That 7.3's running like a fucking. Oh, hell yeah. Let me get that shit.
I mean, I'll rep it.
I swear to God, I'll rep that shit. I'll go put it on my truck right now. Hey, let me get the silver one too. I'll rep that shit right now. Go put it on my truck.
They like it.
Not the girl.
Is it blown up? Throw Cummins in it.
What's that? 6'7" or what?
5'9". Oh, there's a cop right there. He's waiting for me. I love you. All right, peace out.